Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the great state of Maine. But I had a package come in the mail. Now, I don't do a whole lot of unboxing. It's just I don't think people enjoy those. I tried it in the very beginning, you know, when I got something in the mail, and those videos just didn't seem to get any watch time, or they got skipped over. But I wasn't going to skip over this, and it's all part of this video anyways, is the great help that so much of you have been to this channel. It's not always just me. You guys are a big part of this channel as far as helping me. And the guy I'm going to talk about right now, his name is Enos. Enos has been a part of this channel for a long time. I would say maybe even from pretty close to the very beginning. I'm just not sure. I don't know how you'd ever figure that out. You know, you show up in the comments after a while, and some people stay. Well, Enos has been one of those guys. And if I put something out there on the video, I'm looking for something, Enos has come through quite a few times. A couple of years ago, I was looking for some pipe staging for my over to Beaver Creek. You guys see us building Beaver Creek. Well, I put the call out on a YouTube video. Anybody knows where there's any pipe staging that I could purchase? That week, I received an email from Enos with a telephone number and a little note. It said, give this number a call, and he might be able to help you out with the pipe staging. Well, you see Beaver Creek's got his pipe staging. Well, now you know the backstory behind Beaver Creek finding its pipe staging. So I called the guy up. I forget how much I paid for him. It was so much a piece anyways. I even forget. You know, after time I move on. Let's see, we've got I think it was either 8 or 10 pieces of pipe staging. And I've still got one more piece to use up. And that's going to become the woodshed over there at Beaver Creek. Now stand up the 2 pieces, put a roof on it, and voila, we're gonna have a woodshed. But anyways, I wanted to, when I did the video this week, Enos had sent me a little comment saying, hey, make sure to check your P.O. box on Saturday because there's a package down there. Well, I ran out of time on Saturday and wasn't able, they don't work a full day down there, so I wasn't able to get in on Saturday. And then Monday I had something else going. And so yesterday, when the snow stopped snowing a little bit, I ran down to the P.O. box. So Enos, your package came in. And I've already opened it up and took a peek. But Enos, this was, you have gone overboard. This time, what I was asking for, if any of you are new to what I was looking for, I was looking for some 308 cases. Well, Enos, you know, just kicking around, well, Enos come up with some 308 cases. I haven't counted them, but he also sent them in these beautiful round boxes with putting rounds in. So, thank you very much, Enos. It was what, 4? Is there 4 of these? 5 of these. 5 of these cases. So the way I've got that figured is 1 case per grandson. And then 1 left over for Papa. So I haven't, like I said, I haven't counted the rounds yet. But boy, these cases are sure going to be some handy. And then there's a box here with 308 cases in it. So, Enos, thank you. I cannot believe the love that so many people show to this channel over the years. I've had people send me traps. I've had honey. Was it honey? Maple syrup. I've had maple syrup sent my way from Stacy. So we get maple syrup. We've had other people have sent me syrup. Brian has sent me syrup from up in Northern Maine. We just plain love it when we get a care package in the mail, let me tell you. It makes you feel good, and it makes you feel like, hey, let's go do another video. So anyways, I'm only up here for a few minutes this morning, and then I got to get out of here. I am headed to the fish house. But I wanted coffee with you guys. I wanted to hit this box. I was working on some 38 cases yesterday during the snowstorm. I got about 100 built yesterday. Here's 60 more. These are all case prep. Primers are in. Everything is ready now for powder and putting a bullet on. So that's what I'm going to do right now. That will take me about 15 minutes, and then I can throw 60 more cases. I've got a little small, I'll show it to you when we're all finished. I've got a small dinner bucket that I am filling up with 38 cases for the family. I don't own a 38. I will shoot. My wife's got the 38 in this house, so I will get to shoot her 38. And I shoot the rest of them too. My daughter has a 38, my son-in-law has a 38, and my sister-in-law has a 38. So there's plenty of 38s to shoot around here. So I'm going to fill up that dinner bucket, and we're going to go to the shooting range. And two things we're going to do that day. One, it was still testing out all those primers that you saw back in my last video. So we're still testing out all those primers. And with that many guns going to the shooting range, we are going to test out some primers, some bullets, and some cases in that 38. And it's nice to put them primers through several different guns, because each gun's a little bit different. So that's why we're building 38s. And I'm just in the mood for building 38s right now. Just wanted to give a great big huge thank you to Enos and everyone else that's out there that helps participate in this channel, making it what it is. If you missed out on last Friday night's live stream, you really missed out. I'm not saying it because it was my live stream, but I got done with that live stream last Friday night, and it's all I've really been able to think about. I had a really good time. The topics were great. You guys were great. You participated. It was just a really, really good live stream. And that's the way it goes. I like some of them better than others. This one right here, I really liked. Maybe it's because I wasn't so tired and it wasn't after hunting all day in a tree stand and all of that. But it was just a really good time. It was kind of like having... Oh, I think we got up to close to 40 people there at one point. So it was kind of like having 40 people over for coffee. So anyways. And just as a little plug for my my Patreon channel, go check it out sometime. There is a lot of videos in there now that are open to the public, no cost. It's just, you know, some I release the open general, and then the other ones are for the Patreon members. But you will not be disappointed in what's going over there. Some of the stuff that I can put over there on Patreon, I can't put here on YouTube. So some of the gun stuff and some of the other topics are just stuff that are taboo here on YouTube, but I can do it on Patreon. So enough of that, but you know, I'll put a little link above my head, but go check it out. You'll be surprised. I haven't done the count, but I wouldn't be surprised if I want to say half and half now of public. Maybe I'm wrong. If you count them, and you might say, hey Tom, you're wrong. I don't know. I haven't counted. I just know that I've been trying to put some out there for general public, Because the whole point in this YouTube channel and the whole point in the Patreon channel is to help push self-reliance. You can do this, we can do this. It's just some of the stuff I can't put on YouTube because they will yank my channel down. And we really don't want that. I really don't want that. So some of the stuff I have to put over there. And that's just the way it is. So that's the way it is for now anyways. And if you do want to donate to the channel, that is a great way to do it. That is a huge help to me. We're a small group over there right now. We're up to, what, 13 people. So it's a really small group of participants. But that makes it so that a little more personal too. So, well, anyways, I'll see you next week. Have a last sip of coffee with me, and you have a great day.